Imagine the perfect day in Los Cabos, cruising on a luxury yacht, surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Sea of Cortez. Bask in the sun, enjoy the sea, and now, feel the thrill of our brand new WaveRunners. Book your exclusive adventure with Papillon Yachts. With us, you can customize every detail to create unforgettable memories. To add our WaveRunners to your experience, a minimum of 5 hours is required. Don't miss the chance to live this unique experience. Your perfect day in paradise awaits. Book now with Papillon Yachts and explore Cabo like never before.